The National Taskforce for COVID-19 Prevention and Control on Wednesday, June 16th, announced 8 new infection cases, urging everyone to continue to comply with basic COVID-19 prevention and control measures, including social distancing of 1 meter, temperature checks, wearing a face mask, and regular hand washing.
ในนั้นกวดพบผู้ติดเชื้อทั้งหมดก็แม่น8 คนเนาะ
Leading a press briefing on behalf of the task force on Wednesday, June 16th, Deputy Director General of the Department of Communicable Disease Control under the Ministry of Health, Dr. Pornpasit Sanyamongkun, announced 8 new infections. This brings the total number of COVID cases in Laos since March last year to 2,033. The new cases were reported in Vientiane 6 and in Champasak 2. Some 1,910 people have been discharged from hospitals and 3 people have died from the virus.
จึงได้เอาใจใส่ตื่มอีกและพร้อมจิตพร้อมใจกันปฏิบัติทุกมาตรการที่ทางคณะเฉพาะกิจวางออกอย่างเข้มงวด
Dr. Pornpasit Sanyamongkun urged everyone to follow the lockdown rules with regards to travel restrictions, unofficial gatherings, parties, and celebrations, as these may cause people who are unaware that they are carrying the virus to pass it on to others. The task force said although the virus outbreak appears to be waning in some provinces, a widespread community outbreak is continuing in Vientiane and efforts must be stepped up to control the virus. Health officials stressed that vaccination is the only way to beat the COVID-19 crisis. Starting from Tuesday, June 15th, health workers in Vientiane begins giving first doses of Pfizer and Sinopharm vaccines to local residents as part of the government's efforts to vaccinate 50% of the population by the end of this year. The government has extended the lockdown for another 15 days until June 19th, with restrictions to continue in areas of infection known as red zones, while some virus control measures have been eased. Although some restrictions have been lifted, everyone is required to continue to comply with basic COVID-19 prevention and control measures, including social distancing of 1 meter, temperature checks, wearing a face mask, and regular hand washing.